So I just made it to the gym. I'm on my way to go work out. Just got done eating about 45 minutes ago. I know I shouldn't be eating, or I know I shouldn't be working out since I just ate. But I'm here, want to get it over with. I don't know what body part I'm gonna work out on yet, but I will show you guys once I get into the gym. I took some clips of my food, and so I had the Panda Express, and it was alright. It's what I normally get, but yeah, so once I get in, I'll show you guys my workout. Okay, so I got some hash browns, some strawberry kiwi sugar-free jello, some creamer is the oatmeal creamer. I don't use a lot of creamer when I eat. Some unsweetened tea, some cucumbers, yogurt. This is the triple protein. I got different flavors, so I got some vanilla, some berry flavor, some red apples, some green apples, bananas, blueberries, turkey bacon, and some ground turkey, strawberries, chicken breast, some eggs, salad, broccoli, carrots, Brussels sprouts, some melon, and some chicken breast, canned chicken breast. This is what I got. And I'm gonna meal prep. For a snack, or not a snack, but snack slash lunch, I have apples, some strawberries, cucumbers, 2 eggs, and I got some turkey lunch meat wrapped with some cheddar cheese, and then I also have this unsweetened tea and some olives. So I'm on my way to the gym. I didn't end the video last night because my camera ended up dying, so I didn't finish my workout. But yeah, I ended up finishing my leg workouts. After that, I went grocery shopping. I showed a clip of that. And then after that, I went and we went out to eat at Chili's for my daughter's birthday party. Our birthday dinner celebration. We went to Chili's. I didn't show that. I didn't do too good. I had a burger, some fries. I did have an unsweetened iced tea. And then this morning, I woke up. I made breakfast. I filmed that. And then I made me a little snack box to have. I just ate a little bit of that for a snack, a little bit of lunch. and now I'm on my way to the gym. It's about 3:35. I'm on my way to the gym, and today I'm gonna work out and I'm gonna do my biceps and triceps today. So and I plan on filming that. Hopefully it's not too crowded in the gym. It's not too bad filming, but I haven't really filmed where the gym is so crowded. So yeah, hopefully it's not crowded. And yeah, so when I'm done, I'll be back and let you guys know how my workout went. Okay, bye. So I'm back home from the gym, and I had a great workout. I did the C2 5K app, and what that is like, it's called C2 5K, but it's from couch to 5K, and it's like a training app to help you run a 5K. And I think 13 weeks or 15 weeks or something like that. So what I did today was, it's a jog 30 seconds and then walk for 90 minutes. So I did that. It took me about 30 minutes to do that. And oh, I was tired. It was a lot. I hate running. Running is not for me. I hate walking. I hate running. I rather lift weights, jump rope, but I want to push myself and do something different. And I know when I did do the C2 5K before, it was good for weight loss. I lost a lot of weight doing it, so I want to do it again and complete the program. I came home, I fixed dinner. So I already ate dinner and everything. Dinner was great. And yeah, that was my second day filming. Hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog of me for my day. It will get better. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.